Now students, we are doing the h number, that is given 63 x square y square minus 1. So what will become, 7 is there, okay. So what will become, 7 will be minus, so 7 9 are 63 become x square minus y square, and 7 1 are 7 is there, so 1 is remaining. So here what will become, here 3xy whole square minus 1 square is there, so it become a square minus b square. So we can write 3xy minus 1 and 3xy plus 1. That is our final answer. Now students, I number 4 minus L minus M whole square is 0. So 4 means what? 2 square, and minus L minus M whole square is given. So it become A and this whole become B. So what can we write? 2 into first plus. So this whatever is there, that will write plus L minus M. In second time what you will write? Change the sign. So become 2 minus L plus M. That is our final answer. What is given here? 1 upon 36 a square minus x square b square minus 9 upon 49 b square c square. So as we know that we have to take out a square root. So a b will become, whose square is 36 become 6 to become whole square. Here 3, 49 is of 7, b and c whole square become a whole, and here b. So what can we write? We can write ab upon 6 minus 3bc upon 7 and ab upon 6 minus 3bc upon here plus 3bc upon 7. That is our final answer. But student, here b is common, so we are taking out b as a common. So what is remaining? A upon 6 minus 3c upon 7. Similarly here also b is common, so we are taking out b as a common, remaining a upon 6 plus 3c upon 7, right? So what is remaining? b and b become b square upon a upon 6 minus 3c upon 7 and a upon 6 plus 3c upon 7. That is our final answer now. So k number 16 into 2p minus l square and minus 25 q square is there, right? Here 1 is there. So what will become? So we can take out as a whole term, that is a. So become 4, 16 means 4, become 2p minus 1 whole square is there minus 25q square, right? So now here whole a and this whole b is there. So we can write as a 4 2p minus a minus 5q and 4 2p minus 1 plus 5q, right? Now we will multiply 4 with this, become 4 2s are 8p minus 4 minus 5q in one bracket, in second 4 2s are 8p minus 4 plus 5q. That is our final answer. See students, if it is, we can write like this also, 8p minus 5q minus 4 and here 8p plus 5q minus 4, both are the same, right? Arrangement can like this, say 4 2s and 2 4s are, like this way you can write alternative, okay? Now students, you will leave it using the p square minus q square is equal to p plus q and p minus q, where p, the value of p in the first given 60 and q is equal to 4. Now we'll put the value of p and q in this equation and get the answer. So what is the value of p? P is equal to 16 square minus 4 square. So here what is the value of p? 16 plus 4 and 16 minus 4. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 and 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. So you will get the answer as a multiplication. What? 12 2s are 24 and 1 0. That is our final answer. Similarly now b. Here p is equal to 8.8 and q is equal to 1.2. So here p square minus q square is equal to p minus or p plus q, p minus q. So p is given 8.8 minus 1.2 square is equal to 8.8 plus 1.2 and 8.8 minus 1.2. So 8.8 plus 1.2 is equal to what? 10 into 8.8 minus 1.2 is equal to 7.6. So 7.6 into 10 is equal to 76. That is our final answer. Similarly for the C, P is given 506 and Q is equal to given 494. So we are using P square minus Q square, right? So P plus Q and P minus Q. So P value is given 506 square minus 494 square is equal to 506 plus 494 and 506 minus 494. So what will become? If we are doing the addition, you will get the 1000 into 506 minus 498 is equal to 12. So you will get answer 12,000. Okay. And the last sum, P square minus Q square. So P is given 52, Q is given 48. So here we become 52 plus 48 and P minus Q means 52 minus 48. If we are doing 52 plus 48 is equal to what? 100, and 52 minus 4 is equal to 4, right? So 100 into 4 is equal to 400. That is our final answer. Hope students you have understood the identity, but please practice a lot. It requires much more practice. So please practice more at your home.